bucketing down raining today. Little Missy had to go out in the rain a little bit. Can you give me a smile, Kate? Thank you. Stick a foot in the puddle. Stick one foot out there. You're a funny girl. Put your foot in the water. Like that. Woo! Let's see if I can have a look without getting the camera wet. Oh, not good. Woo! Not too far, big girl. Yep. That's as far as you need to go. Yeah, no farther than that, okay? It's still thundering and everything. Kids in mud puddles. I don't get it. Not too far, not too far. I need to be able to see you, Kate. Yeah, well, no, you have to stay where I can see you.
I don't feel the cloud down now.